universal law of gravitation is that when two bodies have mass, there is some force of gravitation, and the force of gravitation, that force value is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their center. Let us understand here. Suppose there are two bodies,
M1 and
M1
M2
and
are masses
M2,
of the two
and the
bodies.
distance between their center is suppose d. Then according to this Newton's universal law of gravitation, the force of gravitation between these two bodies is directly proportional to the product of masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their center. Okay, when we combine these two formula, when we combine these two equation, then we obtain like this: m1 m2 by d square. When we remove the proportional sign, then we get f is equal to g m1 m2 by d square. Then what is this g? This g is the proportionality constant, and it is called, this g is called universal gravitational constant. It is called universal gravitational constant, and its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, and the value of g is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Let us define this universal gravitational constant. I hope you understood this Newton's universal law of gravitation. The statement of this law is that when there are two bodies of some masses, there is some force of attraction between them, and that force is directly proportional to the product of masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between their center. And from this we obtain this formula. By this formula we can calculate the value of force between the different bodies of different mass, and if they are placed at different distance. Stand universal gravitational constant, that is also called capital G. From the Newton's universal law of gravitation, we know that force is equal to g m1 m2 by d square. We know from Newton's universal law of gravitation, force is equal to g m1 m2 by d square. Then let us find out the value of g. It will be f d square divided by m1 into m2. Then from here, let us find out the value of g. In which condition it will be equal to f? Let us see. When the distance between the two bodies is 1 meter and the two bodies masses are 1 kg. Suppose m1 is equal to 1 kg, m2 is equal to 1 kg. Then the value of g will be equal to f. From here we define universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant, capital G, it is defined as a force of gravitation when the masses of the two bodies are unit and they are placed at the unit distance apart. When two bodies are of 1 kg, when two bodies are 1 kg and they are placed at the distance of 1 meter, then force of attraction between them, that force of attraction will be equal to the gravitational constant. And the value of this universal gravitational constant, the unit of universal gravitational constant, from here we can find out the f unit is Newton, d that is meter, and here square, so Newton meter square, and downside kg into kg, so it become per kg square. The unit of universal gravitational constant is Newton meter square per kg square. Now let us talk the value of universal gravitational constant. It is a constant value, that is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This value remains constant all over the universe. If we go on Jupiter or Moon or anywhere in this universe, the value of universal gravitational constant, capital G, it always remains same. I hope you understood the concept of Newton's universal law of gravitation and universal gravitational constant. Thank you very much. Best of luck to everyone.